Okay, boys, so we're going to take the car out for a drive today. I haven't driven the car since I put it on the dyno, and it made 526, but it was like really rich, like a 10.5. So what I'm going to do is just check everything, because I fixed that ground issue, and I want to see if the car drives any differently and see how the fueling looks. It was bucking before, and it was having some voltage spike issues, so I kind of just want to see how that ground affected the car and then drive it on 13 pounds, because I've only driven it on 6 pounds, like 5 to 6. So I'm going to go stomp on it on 13 and just, this will be the last video probably before I rip everything out and change the transmission and do some other things. We got some different turbos, VS Racing 6766s, so we're going to put these on. Instead of the GT45s, the GT45s are really laggy. We knew that going into it, but now we'll really be able to see the difference between the GT45s and two turbos that are sized a little bit better for a 5.3. So let's get out there. Alright, so we're going to do probably just a quick drive. Didn't have the laptop charged, so we're just going to go drive. No data log. I should be able to see if it's different, if it's still bucking at cruising. I'm just going to go out, do a couple pulls, and call it a day. Alright guys, that was a fun ride, I'll tell you that. So the wheels wouldn't stay hooked up at all as soon as the boost came in, which was kind of slow because it comes to peak boost at about 6,000. That's what we saw in the logs when we were on the dyno. So the wheels were starting to spin after it would rev up to like 6,000 and finally come in and just blow the tires off. So this car makes probably about 100 horsepower less than what I'm used to in the Ranger, but the Ranger's 1,300 pounds heavier than this car. So I've never been in something that's this light at that power level, and it is crazy. So I'm excited to get these new turbos on there. We're going to do some new stuff with this thing, and I might do different rods in there, because there's Gen 3 rods in there now, so I know I want to get those out. So not sure what I want to do. I might just put Gen 4 rods in, because I have a set of 7 Gen 4s, but I don't have the piston for one of them, so I don't have a full set. The other option is to get like the Summit brand. I was thinking about doing the Summit Pro LS series, because those are out there now, so they're supposed to be pretty good. So, and they're cheap, so we'll see what I want to do. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.